Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
You'll begin by confirming your phone is unlocked and supports eSIM. This matters because a locked device blocks profiles. Once that's done, make sure your battery is above 50% and you're on reliable Wi-Fi so downloads won't fail. Next, open the Nomad app and sign in or register. You need an account to buy plans. After you've purchased, tap the new plan in the app to begin the installation flow. Follow on screen prompts to fetch the eSIM profile. You'll now install and configure the eSIM. In the Nomad app, choose Install or Scan QR. Either method writes the profile to your phone, accept the carrier profile when prompted. Once installed, name the eSIM so you can distinguish it, then decide whether to use it as secondary or primary for calls and data. Set data roaming on if you'll use abroad. Make sure APN values match the plan. If they don't, edit them manually. Once configured, restart your phone to finish by verifying service. Load a web page and run a quick speed test to confirm data works. If you don't see service, toggle airplane mode, then ensure the Nomad eSIM is selected for data in cellular settings. Sometimes you must reselect the profile. If activation still fails, remove the eSIM profile and reinstall from the app. This often resolves handshake errors. One key troubleshooting tip. If issues persist after reinstall, contact Nomad support with screenshots of your cellular settings and the error messages so they can trace activation.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.